Hey guys, how's it going? We are working on the 67 Lemans again today. We are onto the front brakes. We are putting power disc brakes onto this car. The car originally was a manual all the way around drum, so it should be a bit of a change. But basically need to get the bolts test fitted through the old steering arms, because those could need some machining out if need be. But hopefully they don't, so we can get this thing slapped together a little more and kind of get a wheel on it maybe, put the engine in, work on the other side, get the steering box switched out. Still lots to do on this car, lots to do on this car. So let's get cracking on it and see what we can get for progress on this thing.
I don't know how we got that as well.
Alright, so axle nuts off. And we just hit it with a pretty damn big hammer.
And we didn't. We shook it.
Right. It'll come right off. Yep.
Man, somebody tried, but why put new parts on if you're just gonna crush them down?
Well, he went from these cotter pins to roofing nails.
Ball joint.
Good lord. Are you sure? Can't really see it.
How?
So once this is tight, you've got these locking tabs. These will just flip down to block this in place. And that should be good. So now we can kind of focus on getting all this stuff squared up for putting the hub on. So now we're going to take our nice pretty green steering arm. So something I forgot to mention and think about is that the long bolt goes to the back. If you put it in the front, you try to turn, you're going to hit your end link. I totally put it on the front, not thinking about it. So I'm going to switch those around.
Can't get this far with though. Not that that's gonna help. Really? And spin.
So after quite a bit of time and effort, we have the 67 front end pretty much done. I still need shocks, so I just gotta figure out where to get speed nuts from. Probably have to order them. But you put the shocks in, basically throw everything back on, get the engine in. Core support is basically ready to go, I think. Shouldn't be that hard to figure out at that point anyway. Basically, it's kind of where we ended up on this side. The master cylinder is out. I just gotta put the new one in and kind of get that kind of stuff squared away. And that's actually on the table over here. So, like I said, we're going from manual drum to front disc with power brakes. So it's going to be quite a change in the car. But we are using the, I think it's Right Stuff detailing kit for this. And dude, it has been absolutely awesome. I have nothing but good things to say about it so far. But if you guys like what you're seeing, please like, please subscribe. Appreciate you guys following along. As always, have a good one. And I will see you on the road.